Hey everyone, today we're making a cool Fortnite style multiplayer game where the goal is to get the most kills by pressing a button and getting a bomb attached to you. You got only 5 seconds to run around and take out other players. The button might or might not get attached to you like Russian roulette. But before we get into that, check out what we've done so far. Keep in mind this is still a work in progress. It's been a bit that I've used UEFN, so I thought why not, let's try to build a fun and small project. I'm still learning the editor and getting back into the swings of things. I started by using free assets from Fortnite, keeping it simple with a basic template and a few props. By the way, you can call me Sketch, and I've been making games for quite a while now. I want to say about maybe 10 years now. I have released a game, but I'll tell you more about that when I make more videos. Right now, I love making UEFN games because it's very fast. I can see my work as soon as I launch the game, and I can invite friends and family to play my games without the hassle of them downloading any third-party platforms. Eventually I'll start making UE5 games, start making videos for that, but for right now, I'm gonna keep it straight UEFN. This simple task of creating a box really helped me on Rust. Then I built a 3-wall high building to make it feel like kind of dark and mysterious, like you got dropped there by Billy from Saw. I turned the walls around for a simple look, letting the shadows do their thing. I looked for dark tiles to match the vibe and figured out the best way to copy and paste assets efficiently was to shift click to select multiple assets and alt drag to copy one or multiple items. I really like these ceiling assets, but I did not like the inside of them, so eventually I turned them upside down. While setting up, I struggled to remember a key part, but realized I needed a day sequence device. With this, I was able to change the inside of the room darker. After playing with the settings, I set things up for the bomb with a trigger device. I wanted to see how it looks in game, so I launched the game to get a feel of what I could do next. After launching the game and liking what I saw, I started working on a button and a pedestal. I also added an eerie light to make the red button stand out. Now I'm getting ready to code, so I created a verse file and spawned my game manager to make sure everything works. Still figuring out the ropes of UEFN, I checked if the red button had any features for our code. I'm trying to stay organized, so I place all the game logic stuff to the side of the building for easy access. I'm still debating on having 6 to 8 spawns per game for some actions, but we'll figure it out in the long run. I wanted it a bit darker, so I played with the daylight settings again. Also, I messed around with the team size, player size, and round settings just to get things right. I also tried adding darker walls, but it didn't look great, so I played around with more of the day sequence settings. This definitely came out how I wanted. So I started playing with the night colors, so I tried to play with the date sequence device so I could get the vibe I'm going for. Finally, I got the results I wanted, and I added a prop light to my point light for the finishing touches. I ran the game and I definitely loved what I saw. The color's there, the darkness is there, and the vibe is there. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll get into verse code and game logic. Don't forget to like and subscribe to know when it drops. Thanks for watching.